Is your sump pump ready for the next heavy rain? Regular maintenance is crucial to prevent basement flooding and costly damage. Discover how a thorough inspection can keep your pump in top condition. We will cover, this is your first topic, this is your second topic, this is your third topic. Log into your account. Check the pump's location for accessibility and obstructions. Inspect the sump pit for debris that could clog the pump. Examine the pump housing for rust or damage. Ensure the power cord is intact and free from wear. A thorough visual inspection helps identify potential issues early. Pour water into the pit to test the float switch. Listen for unusual noises during pump activation. Verify the pump removes water efficiently. Test manual operation if applicable. Regular testing ensures the pump functions correctly when needed. Inspect the discharge pipe for leaks or damage. Ensure the pipe is securely connected and free of obstructions. Check the discharge point directs water away from the foundation. Inspect the check valve for proper function. Address any issues immediately to prevent backflow and water damage. Ensure the pump is plugged into a functioning GFCI outlet. Test the circuit breaker for proper operation. Inspect the battery backup for leaks or damage. Check the battery charge and test it by disconnecting main power. A reliable electrical system ensures the pump operates during power outages. Through regular maintenance and inspections, your sump pump can remain fully operational year-round. By following this comprehensive checklist, you reduce the risk of flooding and water damage. Keep your basement safe and dry with consistent care and attention.